Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Twinkle and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this makeup look for Onam. This look is very simple and easy to recreate. I've kept the colors quite neutral so you can wear this look with any different colored sarees which you'd like to wear. Also, this is my very first makeup tutorial on this channel, so if you do enjoy this then make sure to let me know by liking this video right here and also by commenting down what sort of looks you'd like me to try in the future. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
Before applying makeup, I did moisturize my skin off camera, and here I'm applying the MAC Strobe cream as my primer. After hydrating and prepping my skin, I'm first going in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 60 and I'm buffing it with the Real Techniques brush. This is a drugstore foundation which gives you a full coverage without making you look cakey. I take my time with my foundation by using smaller strokes and going over it until it's completely blended. I have a lot of discoloration on my chin, so I'm going in with another thin layer around my mouth for more coverage, and once again I'm taking my time with the blending. Once my foundation is done, I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. A lot of people like using very bright concealers and it looks great on them, but I like using concealers that are maybe just 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I've also applied some concealer on the bridge of my nose, my chin and my forehead. I'm also prepping my eyelids here using the same Fit Me concealer and blending it all in. Next we are moving to our eyes. For my eyes I'll be using this eyeshadow palette from Gosh. I'm starting off with this orange shade right here for my crease and on my lid. I start by taking a little bit and building it up with more. Then I'm moving on to this brownish shade and once again I'm building it up on my crease, and this time I'm focusing a bit more towards the outer corner of my eye. Moving on to the next shade, I'm using this dark brown and packing it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm slowly building it up towards the crease. Once I'm done with my crease, I'm applying a little bit of concealer on the lid to brighten it up, and I've also set it using some powder. The next step is to apply this gold shade from the same palette. This is quite a subtle gold which adds a very thin sheen on the lid. For my lower lash line, I'm pretty much applying the same 3 shades that I use for my upper lid. For mascara, I'm using this Lancome Monsieur Big. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. This is such an underrated mascara. This one adds a lot of volume and length without clumping your lashes together. Next, I'm going in with my false lashes. I'm using Pinky Gold lashes in the shade Noura. Once again, this one is a little thick, but it makes a huge difference in my makeup. Now coming back to the face, I've set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 30, and here I'm applying the Benefit Cheek and Lip Stain in the shade Rose. When you just apply this, it looks very pigmented, but when you blend it out, it gives you a very beautiful blush. As you can see here, I'm applying a little bit more on the apples of my cheek. For bronzer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Bronze palette and mixing all the bronzing shades together. I apply bronzer right under my cheekbone, on my forehead, and also a little bit under my chin. For highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Sundipped. I'm mixing 2 shades here, Tourmaline and Bronzed, and applying it all over my cheekbone, my nose, my cupid's bow, and also my chin. Moving on to lips, I'm using the Tartiest Matte Lip Paint in the shade Bling. This is my go-to pink lipstick. If you're on the darker side of the brown skin spectrum, this will be perfect for you. To finish it off, I'm using the Body Shop Face Mist. This is clearly not a setting spray, but I don't have the heart to spend so much on one. Setting sprays are very expensive. A little bit more of blending later, and here is our final look.
And with that, we've come to an end of this video. If you'd like to see more content from me, then make sure to subscribe right here and also click the bell icon so you're notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching this video and also staying till the end. It means a lot to me. So yeah, I will see you guys next time.